Hey there, friends. Today we're tackling a problem that no one likes to talk about: mold. If you've ever experienced those sneaky little black or green spots that are creeping up in your bathroom, basement, or even on windowsills, you know how frustrating and expensive it can be to deal with mold and mildew. But don't worry, I've got an all-natural solution that works amazingly using the power of essential oils. Instead of reaching for harsh chemicals, we're going to fight mold and mildew naturally with a powerful blend of essential oils. These oils aren't just great for making your home smell fresh, they can actually eliminate mold at its source. So if you're ready to kick mold to the curb without the toxic fumes, let's go ahead and dive in. First up, tea tree oil. This one is famous for its antifungal and antibacterial properties. It literally attacks mold spores and prevents them from coming back. Next we have Purify. This powerhouse blend, it freshens the air and eliminates musty odors caused by mold and mildew. It's like a breath of fresh air for your home. Now this might surprise you, but oregano oil is a powerful weapon against mold. It has strong antifungal properties that help stop mold growth fast. And finally, On Guard. This blend is perfect for boosting immunity, but you know it's also great for killing airborne threats like mold spores. This is going to help you clean the air and keep it mold free. So to mix up our mold fighting spray, here's what you're gonna need. 1 teaspoon of On Guard cleaner concentrate. This gives the mix an extra boost of cleaning power. You'll need 10 drops each of tea tree, oregano, Purify, and On Guard essential oils. 1/4 cup of white vinegar, and then you're gonna fill the rest of a 16-ounce glass spray bottle with water. And once everything is in, just give it a little shake to mix it up, and you're ready to go. Now just spray directly onto any moldy or mildewy spots. Make sure to saturate the area so the oils can really get to work. And then just let it dry. No need to rinse. You can repeat this daily until the mold is completely gone. And then you'll also want to do this. For extra protection, diffuse 4 to 5 drops of tea tree, Purify, oregano, and On Guard essential oils into the air several times a day in any room where mold is present. This helps kill airborne mold spores and prevents them from settling in again. So a little personal story. We had a bathroom that didn't have great ventilation, and over time, little mold spots started appearing on the walls. At first I panicked because mold can get expensive fast. When we're talking like tens of thousands of dollars, if it spreads into walls or into the wood, right? But then I tried this essential oil method, and within less than a week, the mold was completely gone. So we didn't have to use any harsh chemicals, no toxic fumes, just nature doing its thing. It works so well, and now I have this handy solution to prevent mold from ever coming back. Essential oils like tea tree, Purify, oregano, and On Guard are amazing natural mold fighters. And I hope this recipe helps you save thousands of dollars to avoid mold removal and those repair expenses. If you're ready to have all you need to fight mold and mildew naturally, I've added all you need to make this DIY spray all in one convenient link. You can find that link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss one more natural cleaning and wellness tip. And if you'd like to learn more about natural remedies, check out my free guide to 100 essential oil uses. Look for that link in the description below. If you have any questions or want to share your own experience, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. We'll see you next time.